Hi everyone, welcome to Wellness Life channel. Today we're diving into glycolic acid, a key ingredient in many skincare routines. If you want to understand how it works, its benefits, and how to use it, you're in the right place. So, what is glycolic acid? It's an alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA, derived from sugarcane. It's known for its exfoliating properties that help reveal fresher, smoother skin. Here's how it works. Glycolic acid exfoliates the top layer of your skin by dissolving the bonds between dead skin cells. This process helps to remove those cells, revealing a brighter and more even complexion. By exfoliating your skin, glycolic acid promotes cell turnover, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, dark spots, and acne scars. Let's look at the benefits. First, it brightens skin, helping to improve skin radiance and even out your complexion. Second, it smooths texture by reducing rough patches and making your skin feel smoother. Third, it reduces fine lines by promoting collagen production, which can diminish the look of fine lines. Fourth, it clears acne by helping to unclog pores and reduce breakouts. Lastly, it fades dark spots, aiding in diminishing hyperpigmentation and dark spots. To use glycolic acid, first cleanse your skin. Start with a clean face. Next, apply glycolic acid. Use it after cleansing and apply a small amount to your face, avoiding the eye area. Then follow with moisturizer. Always use a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Finally, use sunscreen. Glycolic acid can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so apply sunscreen daily. With regular use, expect your skin to look brighter and smoother. However, some common side effects include mild irritation, such as redness or a tingling sensation, especially when starting out. Your skin might also feel a bit dry, so moisturizing is key. Here are some precautions. First, always do a patch test before full application to avoid adverse reactions. Second, start slowly. Begin with a lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin builds tolerance. Lastly, consult a professional. For personalized advice, consult a dermatologist. Just a reminder, this video is for general information and isn't a substitute for professional medical advice. That's a wrap on glycolic acid. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your experiences or questions, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care and stay radiant.